Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In this video we are going to look at this trending airdrop called Gray Network. Gray Network has been trending on the social media platforms, and I would like us to also join this project and see what we can actually earn from this. Gray Network is a project that has a strong utility, in the sense that it functions in a way that you can actually use your gray coins to purchase things on their marketplace, just like Amazon, Temu, Shein and other shopping apps. This gray network also has a marketplace whereby you can use your gray coins in exchange of any other items from their marketplace. So we are going to explore the app together. All you need to do is just to locate the link in my bio, and also check the link on the comment section where you are going to see the link. Click on the link, register. To register, it is very easy. Make sure you use my referral code as well, which is Jenny's Crypto Class 101, so that you can receive a welcome bonus. So after the registration, this is what you are going to see. So for the registration, all you need to do is just to put your email, your username, your password, and they type your password. You are going to join their Telegram. Using Telegram, they are going to give you OTP code, and once you copy the OTP, come back on the registration portal, put the OTP code, accept the terms and conditions, then you are going to automatically create an account. Then the next thing is for you to log in. So now we are going to explore the app. Like I said, the first thing that you are going to see here is the task. Once you tap on this task, let's tap on this task. These are the task center, and the first task here, they say you should repost our S post. Open our post link below, like, comment and thoughts, quote, retweet with your referral link or any short caption, paste your specific repost URL link below to verify. So this is what you need to do, and once you do this, you are going to receive 15 gray. The second task is to share on Facebook, and you also do the same, you receive 15 gray. So now let's do that of S and see what we have. They say we should post, like, comment and keep a quote. So before then, let me copy my referral link, and we are going to use it to repost that post. So let me click on this, and I will copy my referral link. So going back to the home page, click on the task as well, then tap on that particular one. Okay, you are going to see this later here, open S post. Let's tap there. You can see as I'm clicking on open S post, it's not opening, it's still not going. Let me tap on this second task. So it's still not opening. I don't know why. Let's go to the next thing. That is for the task. Now you are going to see MineMax. This is the second thing you need to do here, the MineMax. So tap on this. So here, this is where you need to take it extremely serious. This MineMax passes means that you must be on a daily check-in for 7 good days to get your Mine Pass. And this Mine Pass, once you do it, that is the only thing that will enable you to do your KYC. So to be on a consistent mining for 7 days is not, it's not difficult for you to do this. So you have to be on a daily check-in for 7 days so that you can run auto mining, and this auto mining will also give you 2x boost, which is equivalent to 1.0 USD. So the second thing is the 7-day pass plus, 7 days pass plus. So this one is now pass as a pro now. For it's going to give you 4.5x boost, that is 2.0 USDT. And that is the last one, is the 7-day pass pro, and this one is giving you best value. So but the main thing you need to understand is that you have to do this one. This is the only thing that will enable you to do your KYC. So we are going to do the 7 days pass. So we have to be on a daily check-in for 7 days so that we can actually get this 2x boost and be able to do our KYC. Now let's go to another thing. So the next thing here is we are going to look at the marketplace. So once you tap on the marketplace, it's going to bring you here, and you are going to see that this is a seamless dollar grade settlement. Look at what they said. a curated marketplace of verified daily essentials, priced and protected by iron cloud mercantile guarantee. So they are telling you that $1 gray is at the rate of 1.8 USD. So this is the marketplace where you can see different items, just like Temu. I usually talk about Temu. Just like Temu, using your gray coin to purchase things on their marketplace. This is what this platform is actually building. They are building real utility, so do not joke with it. Even though we are not early, but if you can mine for 7 days to be able to claim the 5% airdrop, they want to issue their airdrop, I think, on 25th of this month. That is the 5% of your mine gray. They are going to give you that 5%, which you can withdraw or you exchange it on their marketplace. So here you have all the items. You can see the smartphones. This is where you can order smartphone. You have tablet, they have laptops, they have fashion and accessories, they have TVs, they have audio speakers, they have headphones, they have smartwatch, cameras, computer accessory, networking, charging, and every other accessory, every other items that we are looking for. So this is where you can actually exchange your gray to get any commodity from their marketplace. So this is all about the marketplace. Now let's go back. Coming back here, you are going to see that you need to build up a team. Share the link with your friends and family, and you can see the rank. You can see that people are actually making money for themselves that are already on the leaderboard. So you also can join the leaderboard if you are consistent. Now they have the chart. Okay, the chart, they say you should join our Telegram group. This is all about gray chart. And they have the KYC. Let's tap on this KYC. Now this KYC phase 1 limited to the first 100,000 active users, and you can see identity verification processing. The mining commitment require a 7 days continuous mining streak. Can you see what they said here? 7 days continuous mining streak, and the start date was on August 8th this month. So that means if you mine consistently for 7 days, you are going to activate this particular one. And after that, the profile and email verification, this one will start on August 25th. Require your full name, your country, and your verified email address. Now after that is when you will be eligible to claim 5% allocation. So once you have verified your profile, your email, your country, your real verified email, now you have the opportunity to claim 5% of your coins. Now they say you must complete step 1 and 2 to unlock 5% of your coins claimable to your wallet. So you have to be on a daily check-in. So by before August 25th, you already finish with the 7 days. August 25th, now it will make it the 80th day, so for you to be able to claim this allocation. And I believe if you are consistent, you are going to meet up with this first claim. Now after we have done with the first claim, the next thing is now the phone verification. Phone verification, according to them, will start on October 15, 2026, and this one require a valid phone number verified by OTP. Now the next one is your ID document verification. This one require 5 gray coins and a government issued ID, and this one will kick off on November 11, 2026. So this is the thing you need to do for you to be able to do your KYC. This is KYC phase 1, and the last but not the least is the selfie and AI face match. This one will also kick off on November 11. Require a real-time selfie match against your submitted ID. So once it comes to your ID document verification, make sure that whatever thing you are keying on your verification must tally exactly with your ID, whichever ID card you want to use. Make sure that you do it exactly, so that when you do your safe selfie and face match, everything will tally exactly. And after that, you are now going to see the KYC phase 1 important. Complete the entire KYC steps 1 to 6 to unlock an additional percentage of your mined coins. Please note that KYC phase 1 will officially come to an end on December 31st, 2026. First KYC is going to come to an end. You remember how this KYC usually happen? Those people that are usually lucky, because you know the second KYC sometimes it delays. So that is why you have to be on a daily check, so that you can participate on this their first KYC, so that you will not have any problem. So that is it. Now you also need to create a wallet. If you come over here, you are going to create a wallet, because this is where they are going to migrate your gray coins to your wallet. So you need to set up a wallet. So let's do that. So once you tap on the wallet, you are going to see create your wallet. Your email will be showing here, and you need to add 4-digit transaction pin, and after that you create wallet. It's very, very easy. Make sure that you are going to write your seed phrase, your passkey, so that if anything happens to your phone, you can easily log in back to your wallet using your seed phrase. So make sure you secure it. Do not give it to anybody. Secure it. So you are going to see they say save your gray key. This is your gray key. You are going to see it here. So what you need to do is to write it down on a notepad, and also write it down on your notebook, so that you will not lose it. So what you are going to do, just to click on copy, and after that you are now going to click I have saved my key, then continue. Make sure you save it. Look at what they say. This key is the only way to access your wallet on a new device or after logging out. So make sure you save it. Very, very important. So after that, they are now going to ask you to confirm your gray key. Look at it here. They say confirm your gray key. That key that you have already saved and copied on your clipboard. So you are going to paste it here, so that they will know if actually you saved it. So you are going to paste it here. Let me paste it and click on confirm and create wallet. So immediately you are done that, you see wallet created successfully. Your decentralized is ready. So this is the gray wallet, where you can receive your gray coins, and you can see send, receive, swap, sell, and stake. Let's tap on stake. Stake is coming soon. Let's tap on sell. Sell is coming soon. Swap is coming soon. So this is the receive. All you want to do, if you want to receive a gray coin, is just to copy the address here. This is the address, and this is the username of the address. You click on this copy, you copy it and send to someone if you want to buy gray. Now P2P, according to them, once we receive our 5% gray, which is on 25th on this month, P2P will start, and people will start selling. So this is how you can copy your address or your username, give to any vendor to send gray coins to you. And if you want to send, you click on the send. Now you are going to enter the recipient username and the amount you want to send. If you want to send to maybe Jenny's Crypto Class 101, you put the recipient username. Now you are going to either scan QR code, or you send gray. So 2 ways you want to do that. You can use the person's username, or you scan the QR code. Now you put the amount of gray you want to send, then you click on send gray. So this is what you need to do. So take your time as well to explore this particular app. Now we are still not too late, we are still not too early. So make sure you stay on the daily check-in, so that you can be eligible to claim the 5% airdrop and be able to do your KYC on or before 31st of December 2026. That is when the first KYC is going to end. So that is it for this video. Take your time and explore more. See you guys in my next video. And if you want to mine, you are going to see, once you register, you're going to see continue. Once you tap on continue, you start mining. So every 24 hours you come back here and claim your reward and resume your mining. So that is it for this video. See you guys in my next video.